Hi, we are Preston, Christopher, and Renzo from Hoopz4Change, and our mission is to spread kindness one shoe at a time. This year we designed special banners and t-shirts and partnered with Willio to create a shoe donation box. Since we were 11, we have been collecting shoes and donations from family and friends as well as the BSJ community. These shoes would then be shipped to Entite and distributed among the kids through free coaching clinics for basketball. We worked with our childhood coach based in Entite who told us that the kids in Entite didn't have any proper footwear and they walked 5 to 10 kilometers each day to get to school. Hearing this, we were inspired to help in any way we can, and hopefully by doing this, others will be inspired too. This summer we were able to go to Entite to see the kids there and distribute shoes as well as join in the basketball clinic. We will next show a montage of Hoopz4Change activity in Entite.